In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in Looker Studio, an essential skill for adding dynamic visual cues to your data in tables, pivot tables, and scorecards. This technique is incredibly useful because it allows you to easily spot trends and outliers by highlighting your data based on certain criteria. Understanding the basics and nuances of conditional formatting can transform how you visualize and interpret data on Looker Studio. Let's start by outlining what conditional formatting does. In essence, it allows you to highlight data dynamically according to rules you establish. For example, if you want values that surpass a specific threshold to stand out in green, or if you wish to flag values that fall below a target with a red highlight, conditional formatting makes that possible. You can apply this feature to table charts, pivot tables, and scorecards, making it versatile across different data presentations. The first step in applying conditional formatting is selecting the chart you want to format. Open your report in Edit mode and click on either a table, pivot table, or scorecard. Once you've selected your chart, head over to the Properties panel. From there, you'll need to switch to the Style tab. As you scroll through, you'll find the section dedicated to conditional formatting. Now, let's talk about choosing a color type. Looker Studio provides two main types of conditional formatting. The first is single color. This option enables you to apply a specific font or background color when certain conditions are met. For instance, you could set your format to display values greater than or equal to 100 in a particular shade. To do this, click the plus add button in the conditional formatting section, select single color, and then choose your field along with the condition. Specify the value or metric that applies, pick your desired text and background colors, and then hit Save. The second option is a color scale. This is particularly useful when you want to create a gradient that represents a range in your data, perfect for highlighting variations from low to high values. Similar to the single color option, you'll begin by clicking plus add, but this time, select color scale. Then, pick your metric and decide whether you'd like to format a specific field, row, or scorecard. Customize your color gradient and set threshold values to match your analytical needs before clicking Save. You can really go in-depth with multiple or compound rules. By adding multiple rules to the same chart, Looker Studio processes them in a sequence, with the last matching rule taking precedence. You can apply and or logic to combine conditions. For example, you might want to highlight cases where the source is direct and sessions are greater than 2000. If you need to apply a rule universally across different columns, use the Select Any Field option. This allows you to apply formatting to all relevant fields without manually setting it for each column, which is a real time saver for wide tables. Finally, if you ever need to edit, delete, or even replicate a rule, it's straightforward to do. Simply navigate back to the Style tab, go to Conditional Formatting, and select Edit. From there, you can seamlessly manage your formatting rules and ensure your data visualization needs are met. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to utilizing conditional formatting in Looker Studio to its fullest potential.